89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back, people. Third and final hour of this radio show. This is the Morning Brew. No longer morning, so brew na lang. You're still with DJ Tommy G, the Hitman. And I'll give you some of the latest piece of news once again. Alam nyo naman yung what's going on kung nanonood kayo ng news. Itong China, nagpakawala na naman ng, ng fake news. No? So ito po yung official statement ng DFA natin, Department of Foreign Affairs, na shinare ng Presidential Communications Office of Malacanang na post nila. Okay? Inihayag ng Department of Foreign Affairs na tanging ang Pangulo ng Republika ng Pilipinas ay may kapangyarihang pumasok sa anumang kasunduan kaugnay ng West Philippine Sea at South China Sea. Yan, yung Chinese Embassy kasi nagpakawala ng news na may kasunduan daw regarding dun sa Scarborough Shoal nga. Ang sinabi nila doon, if I remember it right, is the Philippine military, officials of the military. Pero ito nga, nilinaw nga ng DFA, tanging ang Pangulo lang ang may kapangyarihang pumasok sa anumang kasunduan. Di ba? Okay? Pag ayaw ng Pangulo, hindi pwede. Okay? So, the official statement, further into the Department of Foreign Affairs statement issued May 5, 2024, the DFA wishes to emphasize that only the President of the Republic of the Philippines can approve or authorize agreements entered into by the Philippine government on matters pertaining to the West Philippine Sea and South China Sea. In this respect, the DFA can confirm that no cabinet-level officials of the Marcos administration has agreed to any Chinese proposal pertaining to the Ayungin Shoal. As far as the Philippine government is concerned, no such document, record, or deal exists as purported by the Chinese Embassy. Okay? So, ayan. Wala daw. So, meaning, yung pinakawalan na statement na naman ng Chinese Embassy, walang katotohanan yon, na may deal daw sila ng Philippine government na regarding a proposal with regards to the Ayungin Shoal of the Philippines. Okay? Walang katapusan tong ng Chinese, no? We're not against the Chinese people. It's the Chinese government. In fact, nakakasama namin, nakakahalubilo namin dito mga Chinese people sa Subic Bay Freeport. They're on tour groups. I act as tour guide from time to time. In fact, masarap sila kasama, makukulit. Makulit kakwentuhan, nakikipagkulitan. Perhaps even them, they don't like what the Chinese government is doing. Di ba? Hindi lang nila masaba. Well, alam mo naman ang freedom sa kanila. It's not that, they're not really that free. The freedom of expression there. Hulihin ka no? You can say anything against the government. Okay? Hindi pa ba nagsasawa tong hindi pa natatapos, no? Kung ano nung pinagagawa, sinasakop, binobomba ng tubig, ng water cannon. Ngayon may fake news. Sina-cyber attack pa tayo nito eh. Alam niyo ba yung mga government site? Sina-cyber attack. Buti na lang magagaling ang Pinoy sa tayo kaya Pinoy kaya yung yung may bandila ng the I love you virus. even governments of the world na may matinding protocol when it comes to cybersecurity sinira. Okay, so hindi sila uubra sa Pinoy. Yan. So eto naman yung latest naman nila, false statements naman, nagpapakawala ng na may agreement daw tayo with them. Ay nako. OIC. O ako kita. Hirap kasi makita yung katotohanan Anyways, it is what it is. That's part of the news today. Mga news na nakakainis, pero it really happens. It's true. Okay? O dito na muna tayo sa sa invites, masasarap na invites. Ito, Kabalen, free buffet for you. Just bring along 4 paying customers. Your buffet is free at Kabalen, second level of SM City, Olongapo Central. All right, just bring along with you your SMAC Advantage card, okay? Huwag mong kakalimutan. That's very important, yung SMAC card mo, okay? And CBTL offers free upsize until December 31, okay? Free drink upsize at Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf inside the SM store, second level. And Karamiya Cakes and Gelato is now open. Ayan, bukas na po yung mga mahilig sa cakes and gelato. Gelato, by the way, is another term for ice cream. Okay? And as part of their grand opening, they are offering free upsize din from medium to large. Ayan, ang free upsize ng Caramiya. So visit Caramiya now. It's open now at the ground level of SM City Olongapo Central. Ayan. And as part of their opening, up until today na lang yata, no? Yung free upsize offer. Hanggang ngayon na lang. So you guys better hurry. Avail of the gelato. Free upsize. Medium to large. Magiging large na. Medium lang yung babayaran mo. Okay? And Kabayan Day is today. Yeah, the first Tuesday of May ngayon, no? Every first Tuesday of the month, BDO Remit and SM Malls offers Kabayan Day. 10% off, additional 10% off for OFWs and their families on SM affiliate stores like the SM Appliance, SM Skating, SM Cinema, the Sports Central, and a whole lot more. Marami pa yan, Okay, so avail of the additional 10% off. Sayang naman, okay, for OFW and their families, okay? Every first Tuesday of the month, so mark your calendars. And today is the first Tuesday of the month. Ambika is open now at the third level of SM Central, so bring your kids there for an afternoon of fun, okay? And what's showing at the SM Cinemas? Last day na nito ngayon for the SM City Olongapo Central Cinema. So you guys better hurry if you want to catch the movies, okay? I'm gonna give you the lineup of movies for SM Central. Last day of showing today, okay? Bukas Wednesday. Tuwing Wednesday, nagpapalit eh. Ayan. So, iba na bukas, ha? Wednesday. Hanggang ngayon na lang. Cinema 1, Tarot or Tarot. Some say tarot, some say taro. Silent T daw di ba? Usually, di ba? Pag T yung nasa dulo. Kaya pag medyo umutot ka, ang tawag doon hindi utot, utow. Cinema 2, Bantay Bahay. Cinema 3, Elevator. Cinema 4, Men Are From QC, Women Are From Alabang. This is an interesting movie, no? Interesting title for a movie. Parang Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus. Tama ba? Cinema 5, The Fall Guy. And Cinema 6, Godzilla X Kong. Extended last day today. Okay, of those movies that are showing. May 7, Tuesday. Wednesday, May 8, bagong lineup na. Okay, so that's the lineup of movies for you. See you at the movies. Buy your tickets now. Okay, and here's our next requested song. We got something now from Metallica. This one's called Moth Into the Flame. 895 Subic Bay Radio.